ladies, I don't know who need to hear this, but it's a lot of you that need to hear this. The reason why a lot of you are having bad luck with the man that you're with is because you're dating a deadbeat father. He's not taking care of his kids, and you trying to give him the benefit of the doubt, trying to give him grace, but he's a sorry deadbeat father. And the reason why y'all relationship had bad luck and no favor is because God has removed grace from him, and you are inheriting and joining in on his fall of grace. Do you understand that when a man don't take care of his kids, 1 Timothy chapter 5, verse 8, a man that don't provide for his kids is worse than an infidel, is worse than an unbeliever. That's how God sees him. And you're dating him. You're laying next to a man that don't take care of his kids. Yeah, they may be in another household, but when you're with a man that's a voluntary deadbeat, you are inheriting his lack of favor. So if you wonder why he's struggling, can't get a job, can't keep a job, and all this other stuff, and just running into all these dead ends, you joining in right in on that misery. You got to stop thinking that it's something about you that's going to make him better, something about you that's going to make him change. No, he's behind the 8 ball. God does not hear him. He has denied the faith and is worse than an unbeliever. He is looked at as pretty much a devil worshiper. Yeah, God still loves him, but until he does right, y'all not going to have a relationship that does right. So if you're wondering why your relationship with that man is struggling, is because he is a deadbeat father. And he may be telling you, yeah, she keeping me from the kids and she ain't letting me. Nah, it's a reason why he's having bad luck. He may be telling you that his baby mama is this and baby mama is that. Nah, chances are he's a voluntary deadbeat.